This, in fact, is presently the case in northern Nigeria. Ideologies of Salafi radicalism, like in other West African countries such as Senegal, Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger, took root as political ideas in small social networks in the 1940s, but from the 1990s and 2000s, they have effected large-scale impacts on society and government. As a society, we must address how leadership in northern Nigeria has been shaped by these forces for us to honestly reflect on which future we are moving into. We must ask the question, is there a political elite that will champion constitutional democracy in northern Nigeria and reverse the particularistic trend of Salafi radicalism in the region, which is threatening national unity? In my honest opinion, what the region has lacked since the beginning of this present dispensation is a critical mass of political elite, and as Idrissa adds, an institutional and rhetorical mechanism from within its political class to articulate a vision and political agenda built around human and constitutional rights within a democratic framework. While political secularism exists as a principle in Nigeria's federal constitution, neither in 1999 or today do we have a visible and significant northern group or political leader who has used this foundational argument to sincerely and effectively challenge the transformation of northern society by radical ideologies. This, I believe, is at the heart of the existential crises of leadership in northern Nigeria. The absence of a political elite that demonstrably advocates for human rights and constitutional democracy, and the necessary secularization of the region's politics and governance issues if it wishes to remain in union with the south of the country. According to the UNDP, governance is the exercise of economic, political, and administrative authority to manage a country's affairs at all levels. It comprises the mechanisms, processes, and institutions through which citizens and groups articulate their interests, exercise their legal rights, meet their obligations, and mediate their differences.